I have always been a symbol of status and luxury. But today, it's not practical to hire help simply to open your door. That's why I have relocated some of my magical charm here. Alfred brings the luxury of doorstep service into the modern world. Now you can command your modern servant in whichever way you please. With this gizmo. Add, remove, and manage PIN codes. Distribute Bluetooth keys. Set time restraints. And keep track of every lock and unlock that occurs.
Oh my
God. Great care has been taken to ensure that safety and convenience are paramount in the DB1 lock. And the all-new Alfred DB1 has been redesigned to enhance the appearance of your home while keeping you safe. Other groundbreaking features include Bluetooth keys, the outstanding one-touch unlock, and regular firmware updates. All of this and more make the Alfred DB1 not only my namesake, but my way of serving you well into the future.